In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use a free online tool called Delaunay Triangle Pattern Maker. I'll post the link to the tool in the description below. Your mouse will act as a light object in the scene. We can press the space key to drop it on the screen and press the space key again to move it around. Pressing the Enter key will add one more light, and the amount of lights can be adjusted here. The settings are fully customizable and we can use the Randomize button below to get a random result. Please feel free to explore the settings and we can use the Export button below to export the image file. This is the end of the Delaunay Triangle Pattern Maker tutorial. Thank you for watching.